In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front windshield wiper blades on your Hyundai Accent. It's located at the base of your windshield. All right, so to take this off, there's a little button back here. You just want to push it out and then pull down, and then it'll come out. Sometimes they get stuck and this button doesn't really work very well. So you can even put a little lubrication in there and just work it back and forth a bunch, and sooner or later it should come free. If you end up breaking this piece, that's okay too, because usually the windshield wiper comes with a few different pieces or it's already attached. All right, so we can take off these white plastic covers for shipping. Take those off, and now we're going to install. You're going to make sure that your hook part goes down into that spot, and then push up until you hear the click. Then you can put it down. Okay, so now we're going to do the passenger side windshield wiper. We're going to take off these white things. It's the same process as the other side. I'm going to put this down. So again, we're going to pick this up. You're going to push this button out, and then you're going to push this down. There might be a little flap there that you have to help let that out. Make sure you let your wiper down gently. Don't let it slam on your windshield. And now we're going to install. So you're going to put the hook side in and then pull the windshield wiper towards you. Once it's locked in, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.